yoga friends! Before we begin today's easy yoga poses for strength and flexibility, don't forget to tap like and hit subscribe so you can join us on all our fun yoga adventures. Mountain pose. Let's get started. Stand tall, steady, and strong like a mountain. Wide leg forward bend. Good job. Spread your legs wide and bend down to see the upside down world through your leg window. Downward facing dog. Excellent. Lift your bottom high and wag your puppy tail. Three-legged dog. Great work! The puppy kicks one leg up high to touch the blue clouds. Low lunge. Fantastic! Step 1 foot forward and reach your hands high to pick the moon. Now switch sides. Cat pose. Amazing balance. Arch your back up and say meow really loud. Cow pose. Wonderful. Dip your back down and say moo like a dairy cow. Tiger pose. You are doing great. Reach one hand and the opposite leg out long, strong like a tiger stalking its prey. Now switch sides. Camel pose. Very strong. Kneel down and lean back to make a camel hump. Hare pose. Lovely! Curl your body up and hide your head like a shy little bunny. Seated side bend. Well done! Sit cross-legged and lean to the side like a tree swaying in the wind. Now switch sides. Child's pose. Perfect! Turn into a little rock lying still on the grass.